Dear students, welcome to second standard science class. Today I am going to teach term 3, unit 1, lesson name materials around us. In this chapter, we are going to learn about natural sources, man-made materials and things, also about matter, definition and properties. See this picture. What are oranges going to say? Let us see now. We are oranges. We grow on orange trees. So this is natural sources. Now what is basket going to say? Let us see now. I am a basket. I am made of wood. Wood is got from trees. So this is man-made materials. We use many kinds of materials in our life. Example, basket, chair, sweater, rose, chapel, vessel, pillow, jars, etc. Nature is the source of all materials. Example, tree. From these natural sources, man makes many materials. Example, wooden blocks, which are used to make many other things. Example, wooden basket. Sources of natural materials. The natural sources of materials are plants, animals, rocks and soil. From plants, we can get wooden logs, cotton, jute, coconut frond and rubber. Okay children, what do we get from animals, rocks and soil? We will see fiber. Children, do you know how clothes and ropes are made? Clothes and ropes are made of fiber. What is a fiber? Fiber is a material obtained from both plants and animals. Cotton, jute and coir are the fibers got from plants. Wool and silk are fibers obtained from animals. Now we will see plant fibers and animal fibers. First we will see about plant fiber, cotton. It is soft and absorb water. It is obtained from cotton plants. We can make things like birds, pillow, towels, shirts and many more things from cotton. Next, jute. It is a long, shiny and strong fiber. It is obtained from jute plants. We can make carpet, mat, bag, sock and many more things from jute. Next, coir. It is a fiber from coconut tree. We can make rope, mat and brush from it. Silk. It is obtained from cocoon of silkworm. It is the strongest natural fiber. We can make many things like silk bag, mat, saris and skirt from silk. Silk thread is a strong material and is used in making parachute. Next, wool. We get wool from animals like sheep. Wool keeps us warm. So sweaters, caps, socks, gloves and shawls are knitted used it. Next, leather. We get leather from cattle. It is flexible. We can make bags, shoes, belt, watch strap from it. Children, do you like play with clay? Yes, very good. Clay is a natural material. It is a type of soil. When it is mixed with water, it becomes soft. It hardens as it dries. So, pots and other things can be made from it. A potter uses his tool, the potter's wheel, to make clay pots and other things. You see this pot? I give you cool water without using electricity. Very nice. We can also make lamp, clay stove, roof tiles, bowl and many more things from clay. Children, have you seen the different vessels in your kitchen? Now we'll see about metals. Metals are materials got from metal ores. Example, gold, silver, iron and copper. Since metals are strong and hard, vehicles, gates and cooking vessels can be made from it. Metals are shiny. When heated, metals can be shaped into any form, small paper, clips or a huge aeroplane. From these metals we can make many things like aeroplane, paper clips, gold bangles, steel vessels, aluminum vessels, copper vessels. Next, matter. What is matter? Matter is nothing but either it is natural or man-made things which occupies particular space, will call it as matter. The matter has properties like taste, smell, size and shape. Let us see few example of matter. It is orange. Orange is a natural thing. It is also occupies space when it's placed on something. See this wooden basket. A wooden basket is made up of wood. Wood is a natural thing which we get from tree, but it a man-made basket after it is shaped into different sizes. It occupies space too. Last, see this yellow laddus are very tasty, round in shape, smaller in size. They too have sweet taste and they also occupies space in a bowl. So matter is something which occupies space, we'll call it as a matter. Either it can be natural or it can be man-made things. Okay children, we have completed materials around us. We will meet next class. Thank you.